In the middle of the rainy season at Sagami General Depot, Japan,
Watch out for mosquitoes.
the U.S. Army Garrison Japan Directorate of Public Works team is out working under the bridge and in a pond.
This is a staple to Sagami Depot.
Sagami Depot's Shrine Park was established in 1936. The park, now a little more than 80 years old, has not had maintenance done on it for 2 decades.
Interesting fact is koi fish can actually live 200 years. What can we do to make their environment healthier so that they can live longer is to do some maintenance on the pond. It's a community project and we're looking forward to the completion.
For this community project, DPW teamed up with members of the Camp Zama community, including Boy Scouts from the local troops.
I split it into 2 projects. We've got the taiko bridges for restoration and painting. And then we have the pond restoration and kind of a conservation, animal conservation.
DPW began both of the projects in July by setting up scaffolding for the bridges to remove lead paint and by draining the pond in order to transplant the fish. It was not an easy task. It took the workers hours to catch and transfer the fish. One weekend in August, many other community members came out to help with the project.
It's really hot out. I believe that it might be one of the hottest days of the year, actually.
The water from the pond has been completely drained. The conservation team is working hard to clean up debris and dirt that has been there for 20 years.
It is a lot of hard work, lots of lifting, shoveling, wheelbarrowing.
And there's also the delicate work of repairing the concrete. Royce, a team leader, says taking part in this project has led him to not only learning new skills, but also learning about people.
The teamwork was pretty exceptional. Perhaps I grew in my confidence as a leader.
The other team is at the taiko bridge, applying a final coat of paint. Family members, soldiers, the group of volunteers all came together to help the scouts with the project.
We're always trying to get out there and try to extend our hands to help out with other people, with our community.
15-year-old Skylar, a paint team leader, says that even though this was his first time, doing the painting was not so difficult.
Just make sure you shake it up.
Skylar talked about the skills he gained while working on the project.
Like lifelong skills that we can carry out when we're older, and it just gives us, it like helps us become like a better person, I guess, and it really forms who we are.
DPW will come in later to perform some finishing touches, but the community project is nearly complete.
This park's a great park for families because they can come out here and enjoy some of the nature and some of the Japanese culture that's here.
Just give it some lipstick, make it look a little bit better, make it enjoyable and attractive for people to come and visit.
Reporting for U.S. Army Garrison Japan, I'm Aya Watsuji.